Have you ever wondered how experts tackle real data challenges? Let's recap our webinar on AI-powered data analysis.
What kind of upcoming AI advancements will be shaping public data analysis? What do you think?
Of course, we see a lot of people recycling the data that we have today to create refreshed content or datasets using AI. I believe personally that this also comes as a risk, as AI will start collecting on data which we already had, and we will end up in an endless cycle of recycling the same things over and over again. So one of the things that I believe we should still be doing is to use the AI just as an assistant, so we could create something unique and not use the things that we have already had in the past.
Want to see the full discussion? Watch the webinar recording with the link below.